One of my favorite memories growing up is decorating cookies with my mom. Along with many other things I took for granted as a child, little did I know the work she put into cutting out all those little wreaths or pumpkins or Easter bunnies with the cookie cutters. Fast forward to today as I bake cookies with my own kids. By the time the cookies have been made, chilled, cut, baked, and cooled, we're all pretty much distracted and over it, and I end up throwing the frosting and some sprinkles on myself, which is supposed to be the best part. What if there was one smart cookie out there to make the process more simple? This just in, this weekend's new to-do is the One Smart Cookie Cutter Tray, invented by, one smart cookie of a mom named Yoli, who felt the exact same way I did. She created a sheet to cut out multiple cookies for you, making it easier and less messy so that we can get to the best part, decorating and eating. No chilling the dough, no guesswork for thickness or spacing, no flour, no mess. The cutter sheets are 16 by 12 inches. Each contain about 8 to 10 shapes, so you're cutting multiple cookies at the same time, and they come in different themes. There's holiday sheets, like Christmas, gingerbread men, Halloween. There's hearts. The one we got has rainbows and unicorns on it. After you make, or in my case, buy the sugar cookie dough, you just lay the One Smart cookie sheet on a cutting board or a mat and press a bit of that cookie dough into each of the shapes. Then lay some wax paper over the top and use a rolling pin to kind of smush it into the shapes. Remove that wax paper and peel away the tray, and voila! Put those babies in the oven and you're ahead of the game already. The One Smart cookie sheet is a game changer in the cookie cutting field. Each tray goes for $14.99, and you can find out more on Lou's HouseSmarts Radio YouTube page.